In this video, you'll learn how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay using a credit card. This process involves several steps that will guide you through the interface and ensure a smooth transaction. Begin by navigating to the MoonPay website. You can do this by entering the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the homepage with options to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Next, locate the highlighted section on the homepage. This area often features prominent buttons or links that guide new users through the purchasing process. Clicking on this highlight will redirect you to the cryptocurrency purchase interface. After that, look for the buy button on the page. This button is typically located near the top or center of the screen. Clicking this will take you to a new screen dedicated to purchasing cryptocurrencies. Once this appears, click on Buy Crypto. This option allows you to specify which cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, moving you further along in the buying process. Now, click on Buy BTC to select Bitcoin specifically. This will usually lead you a dedicated purchase page for Bitcoin, confirming your selection. Next, find the Select Asset button. This is where you can choose from various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, which you have already selected. Ensure you are still on the Bitcoin purchase page before proceeding. After that, click on Popular Tokens to view a list of commonly traded cryptocurrencies. This section will help you confirm that Bitcoin is available for purchase. Then click on Bitcoin to make your selection explicit. This action will ensure that Bitcoin is the cryptocurrency you are intending to buy. Now type in the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Be mindful of your total budget and any fees that may apply during the transaction. This is a crucial step as it directly affects your total cost. Once you have entered the amount, click on Continue with Bitcoin. This will move you to the order confirmation stage where you can review your purchase details. Next, click on Confirm Order to finalize the details of your purchase. This action is essential to proceed with the payment process. After that, click on Buy to initiate the payment process. This step confirms that you're ready to proceed with the transaction. Now, click on Pay With to choose your payment method. This is where you will specify that you intend to use a credit card for the purchase. At this stage, a message will appear asking you to choose how to pay. Make sure to review the options available to you before continuing. Then click on Credit Card as your preferred payment method. This option should be clearly visible on the payment method selection screen. Next, a message will display the total amount to pay. This confirmation is important as it outlines the total cost of your Bitcoin purchase, including any applicable fees. Now, click on Deliver to specify where you want the Bitcoin to be sent. This is typically where you will enter your wallet address. Finally, click on Pay to complete the transaction. This action will finalize your purchase and initiate the transfer of Bitcoin to your specified wallet. The entire process may take some time depending on your internet speed and the current load on the MoonPay servers. Be sure to check your email for confirmation and any transaction details after the payment is processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.